First walking up to the church like that, the first thing that caught my attention was that body there. That was horrifying, and you know what I mean, to see that there down the street from my house at a church. Some church members still coming out, you know, with the blood on their, you know, on their clothes, blood on their arms. Some church members coming out that are wrapped here and there from the gunshot wounds. I seen this one lady that got shot in her leg and in her arm, and it was just horrifying to be there at that point in time and see all that. I was able to see my son like that in 2005. He got shot and killed, and getting there at the scene of the crime, you know what I mean, they wouldn't let me in there where he was at, you know what I mean, to get it, you know, to hold him or whatever, and he was already gone, you know what I mean, and that brought back a lot of memories.